Question number 25. A proton, an electron and an alpha particle. Okay, let us first what we'll do is, let us write the mass of an electron to be m. Proton's mass is much higher than the mass of electron, which is nearly around, how much is it? Nearly 2000 times mass of this one. And alpha particle is nearly 4 times the mass of a proton, which would now be equal to 4 times multiplied by 2000 m, which is nearly 8000 m. Roughly I am writing, okay? I am not giving the correct answer. Which particle has the smallest magnitude of the ratio of charge to mass? Charge to mass, smallest, minimum, and then the largest, see, largest is charge, so charge to mass, Q by M maximum. That's what we need. So therefore what we will do is, let us write down alpha, electron, proton. We will write it down here, and let us find out what is this minimum here. So what is the value of alpha? Alpha in this case will have 2 protons and 2 neutrons. So therefore this should have charge is equal to 2 times Q, 2 times E, let us write 2 times E divided by 2 times 4 times mass of the proton, which would be E by 2 MP. E by 2 MP. Now for an electron, this should just be charge on an electron is E and mass of an electron is M itself. And for a proton, this should be E divided by M. Of course, I can say this is minus E also here. Okay, but here you see magnitude. So I am just considering plus E here. Okay, plus E by M. So E by M here, E by MP here, E by 2 MP here. Okay, if I write E by M, E by MP, E by 2 MP, 2 MP. See, this will have a very least value, okay, because there's a 2 here and MP is also very large. So therefore this will be the least value. This will be the least value. This will be the minimum. This will be the minimum, and this will be the maximum over here, because mass of the electron is nearly 2000 times lesser than that of the mass of the proton. Is the lightest one. Okay, so therefore this will be maximum. So which is the correct option here? So minimum will be for alpha, minimum will be for alpha, minimum will be for alpha. A is the right option, right? So 25th one we have done. Okay, next one.